Uh, Today's episode, it's the second episode from my Infiniti 2009 G37 coupe. I have bought welcome lights that can fit on these doors or door lights. I bought this one from Amazon. It's called Shadow Light 3D. What it's supposed to do is to display the Infiniti logo on the ground. So we're gonna go ahead and install it, and then let you know afterwards how does it look. It's at night as well, so all right, stay tuned. Okay guys, here's the packaging. These are the lights. You get two of them. It's a factory fit, so you just take out the old one and put this one in, and should be good to go. It's very self-explanatory. The way to do it is you pop this this door light out with a flathead screwdriver. It's basically plug and play. That's all. So I'll come back, let you know how it looks. Okay guys, here's the finished product. It looks nice. It lights up the ground better than the old one. It has a bluish color to it. I don't know if you can see it. Compared to the old one, it's just white. But yeah, this is the right side of the door. Let me show you the other side. It's really pretty actually. Yeah. Very bright and very noticeable when you open the door. Yeah. Well, let me know what you think. Peace out.